Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I know when it comes to Jordan 1s lately, we only want to talk about the UNC joints right now. Me, I like them. I like anything UNC. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe not the 2s, but definitely the 1s. And I got them for my son first. When they release, I'll get them for myself. But here's a quick 360 view of the Jordan 1 UNC in the grade school or preschool, one of those. But anyway, I want to talk about the Jordan 1 Skyline. I feel like this sneaker is highly slept on, guys. I mean, every Jordan 1 this year that I thought was going to get hit out the park is sitting. The taxis. I can't believe the taxis restocked as many times as it restocked. But with the Skylines, I thought a little different. Y'all all remember the pastel colorway. I think it was the Miami Art Basel, the pink, and that blue. I couldn't get my hands on either pair. I took a flight to Miami and still couldn't get my hands on a pair. This what this sneaker reminded me of from pictures, so I had to get it in hand to see if it gave me that same feel that the pictures did. Hit the B-roll. So the Jordan 1 Skyline, this comes from, pardon the box shape, but it comes from that iconic Jordan photo with the Chicago skyline in the back, in the same colors we see in the sneaker, from the pink to the little bit of purplish. So that's where it comes from. I know y'all may think Jordan is reaching a little bit with naming these Jordan 1s, but that one, Skyline, I kind of get. We've been talking too long. Let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So my box is a little beat up. I got these from Shoe Palace about 3 weeks ago for a crazy $90 price range. So that's why I had to just grab these and double up from the first release. And for some reason, Shoe Palace does not ship double box. So I'm telling y'all right now, if y'all plan on copying from Shoe Palace, they don't ship double box. And these are the results. Luckily, I'm not the type that wears the box. As y'all can see, the crepe crates behind me. So I didn't even bother them. But did go the Skyline on the front of the box. Yes, Jordan 1 is changing the box, and we love when he do it. But it's just the top. The bottom of the box, same black and red Air Jordan 1985. But you do get a nice Skyline at the top. Open the lid. They go your quality control stamp. Every time I review a Jordan 1, I show y'all that. 95% of the time, you will have a quality control stamp there. But sometimes it's an overseas release, so don't really worry, long as everything else factors in. You get your regular Air Jordan 1 tissue paper, but you also get your shoelaces in that new Move to Zero box. They look to be just white. Should be some color with the Skyline. And here's a 360 view of the right shoe of the Jordan 1 Skyline. So again, I told y'all that pastel color. You got the light blue of the Skyline moving into a purple, going into like a pink sunset, and I like it. The materials, I wish they did like a leather to suede look here. It definitely would have made the sneaker look more quality or more, you know, premium. I think the canvas is what threw a lot of people off, but the canvas colorway was probably the easy way to get that spray tan paint looking Skyline look. You got a black swoosh also in the canvas. The whole sneaker is canvas except for the inside. They did stay leather in the inside. So I do like that leather inside. No tumbleness though, but the rest is a canvas feel, look, and texture. You got more leather on the toe box, and the toe box does have some bounce back, guys. It is a little stiff, but it does have some bounce back. I showed y'all the white shoelaces it comes in, but it comes with black. The white shoelaces is attached in that Move to Zero box, but you're going to get black laces laced inside the sneaker. And these are some heavy Jordan 1 laces. These are not regular Jordan 1 laces neither. Along with the black swoosh, you got your black Jordan 1 Wings logo to match. Black sock line on the top. That's not leather neither. That's more of a plush texture also. The tongue a little funny to me. It looks like it could be white, but I'm seeing gray vibes. So it's more of a gray. The back is definitely gray, but I think the white also has that gray tone, like a foggy day. Could be dope if that's what they were trying to do, being that it's based on the Skyline in general. But this is the right shoe, guys. The left shoe is more of a downward spiral from the right shoe. So you get the blue to the purple to the pink. As on the right shoe, you got the purple to the blue to the purple to the pink. And here you got it just vice versa. Got an all black bottom. If you've seen one Jordan 1, if you've seen one Nike Dunk, they all the same down here usually. The inside has Nike Air, white, black, just like the shoelaces, whatever one you decide. And you do get a vintage little cell white look sandwich in the bottom from the top. It's not just pure cocaine white. It's more of like a vintage look. Yes, sir. Now, there's a couple of reasons why this sneaker was slept on. At first, I thought it was a woman exclusive, and I try to stay away from the woman exclusive sneakers. But the woman exclusive sneakers just don't do well on the market. I.e. the Lannies, the Red University joints that just dropped, the Reverse Shadow joints, they just sit, man. So I thought these was a woman exclusive. We could take that off. That's not the reason they sat. I looked again. They came out around some heavy hitters. When this Jordan 1 dropped, a lot of other hype beast sneakers dropped. So that kind of went under the radar with it too. But man, get this sneaker in hand, is fire. Like I told y'all, if you got a local shoe palace in your city, go there. Do not let them ship. They ship it with one box. My box is destroyed. I know some of y'all like your boxes. But Shoe Palace had a crazy sale. I paid $90, I think, with a tax, $100. So I'm not even mad at it, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these Skyline joints. Get this video up to like 10 to 15 likes. I double back and give you a hotter style, because this is a summer shoe. This is for right now, even though it's a high top. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.